If you're looking to build monthly time summaries for your clients efficiently, you've come to the right place. In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you the fastest and easiest way to set up time summaries that will keep your clients informed and your process streamlined. Building monthly time summaries doesn't have to be complicated. The first thing you want to do is gather all the time tracking data from your team or any time management software you're using. If you've been manually tracking time, it's time to level up and automate the process. The goal is to have all the data organized in one place, ready for easy extraction. Start by organizing this data into categories, whether it's by client, project, or task. This will help when you need to create custom reports for each client. If you're using a software to track time, most tools will allow you to filter and group by client or project, which makes the next steps a breeze. Once you've got your data grouped, it's time to format it into a summary. This is where the power of our software comes in. Instead of manually compiling everything, you can easily input this data into a template or automated system. Our software streamlines this process, allowing you to quickly generate client-ready reports that highlight the total hours worked, tasks completed, and project status. The key here is making the summary readable and useful for your client. Don't just list hours worked, provide context. Include brief descriptions of tasks, any milestones reached, and if possible, an easy-to-read graph or chart. This helps clients visualize the progress and ensures they see value in the work you've done. Now you might be thinking, how can I make this process even faster? Here's where automation becomes your best friend. By integrating your time tracking software with report building tools, you can set up automatic reports that generate and send to clients on a recurring basis. This is a game changer because you no longer have to spend time compiling data each month. At this point, you'll want to double check for accuracy. Make sure the hours, tasks, and billing info are all correct. No one wants to send an inaccurate report, so always take a moment to review it before hitting send. If you want to follow along with this process and try out the software we're using in this video, you can grab an exclusive free trial in the description below. It's available only to viewers of my channel, so take advantage of this if you want to save time and make this process even smoother. Key takeaway: building monthly time summaries for your clients doesn't have to be a chore. With the right software, you can automate the process, keep your clients happy, and spend more time doing the work you love. Remember to gather your data, format it well, and take advantage of automation tools to save yourself time. Before you go, don't forget to grab that free trial of our software in the description below. It's a great way to get started and make your monthly time summaries a breeze. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.